lies a land of magic and morning mist. The juicy jungle, bold and bright, wakes each day in doubtful light. Bananas swing like golden bells, where monkeys leap with joyful yells. Papayas smile in orange delight, while toucans sing with all their might. The mango trees wear crowns of sun, dripping nectar, oh what fun! Pineapples dance in rows so neat, with sugar cane stalks tall and sweet. Passion fruit dreams swirl in their heads. A coconut falls with a gentle thud into the arms of a splashy mud. Parrots chatter in fruity tunes underneath the silver moons. Every critter joins the feast, from buzzing bugs to jungle beasts. The breeze smells like a smoothie blend, where jungle treats never end. It's nature's kitchen, wild and free, a juicy jungle jubilee.